Okay, here is my Tamiya M-05 NSU TT. It's a front wheel drive chassis. Put a 3000 milliamp hour nickel metal hydride battery in it and a 60 amp Hobby Wing rebranded ESC and a Futuba ESC and Ombu RC radio system. So this is the first time it has ever run on something. You can see the top speed on the watch. This battery isn't really good, but let's try it on this first. It's a bit more difficult to fit a LiPo because it's wrong form factor. Let's reduce the gyro a little bit and it will turn a bit better. I don't know if the watch is scraping. That was probably my fault. I was focusing too much on the camera and then I hit the brakes and made the front wheels lock up. Yeah, it's okay. I don't know if there's something wrong with the radio or something, but sometimes it just so out and at full speed uncontrollable. Let's see what time with a LiPo battery. Might not have picked up the correct speed either. I think it's a little bit faster, maybe 30 kilometers per hour.